the lion, the fox, and the donkey. Once upon a time, in the heart of a great forest, there lived a lion who ruled over all the animals. But this lion had grown old and lazy. He no longer wished to hunt for his own food. Instead, he called upon the clever fox and commanded him. "Fox," the lion growled, his golden eyes flashing, "bring me food, or I will eat you." The fox trembled, for he feared the lion's strength. Yet he also knew he had to use his wit to survive. After a moment of thought, he devised a plan. He went searching until he found a donkey grazing peacefully near the edge of the forest. "My friend," the fox said slyly, "I bring wonderful news. The lion, king of the forest, has chosen you to be our new ruler. He wants to place a crown upon your head and make you king. Come with me, and I shall take you to him." The donkey, though simple-minded, was filled with pride at the fox's words. He imagined himself seated on a throne, respected by all the animals. Without questioning, he followed the fox straight to the lion's den. The lion, hiding in the shadows, leaped forward and attacked. With one swift bite, he tore off the donkey's ears. But the donkey, panicked and bleeding, kicked wildly and escaped into the woods. "You tricked me," the donkey brayed angrily at the fox, who had chased after him. The fox, smooth and deceitful, shook his head. "Don't be foolish, my friend. The lion only took your ears so the crown can rest properly on your head. Without them, you will wear the crown more comfortably." The donkey, foolish and vain, believed the fox's words. Despite his pain, he returned once more to the lion's den. This time, the lion struck again and bit off the donkey's tail. The donkey screamed, but once again managed to escape. The fox hurried after him. Now, he soothed, "do not be upset. Losing your tail is an honor. How else can you sit comfortably on the throne? Without your tail in the way, you will sit like a true king." Blinded by the dream of becoming king, the donkey foolishly returned a third time. But this time, the lion did not hesitate. When the lion had eaten his fill, he commanded the fox to bring him the donkey's heart, liver, and lungs. The fox obeyed, but when he returned with the parts, the lion noticed something missing. "Where is the donkey's brain?" the lion asked. The fox smirked and replied, "My lord, if the donkey had a brain, he would not have returned to you after losing both his ears and his tail. He would have known better." The lion chuckled, satisfied with the answer, and finished his meal. The moral of the story: not every sweet word is spoken with good intentions. Some who offer advice may seek only to deceive you. Do not trust blindly. Learn to question. Learn to think critically. A wise mind protects itself from the traps of cunning tongues. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Mr. Sam English Tales. Goodbye. See you in the next video.